10 laws that will put you above everyone else in 2026. If you're watching this, one thing is for sure. You want a new strategic direction. It's not just about the money, even though the money is good, but you want a different level for yourself. You want to make sure that you are entering 2026 with clarity. These laws will help you in your growth, in your discipline, and in direction. Let me say this clearly. 2026, the gap is not people or talent. The gap is not luck. The gap is not opportunity. The gap is following laws that help you, and the universe obeys as well. These laws govern results, whether people respect them or not. And if you live by these laws, you do not need to compete with anyone. You would naturally stand out. Let's begin. But before that, hit the subscribe button. My name is Ibiyemi and welcome to my channel. Number one is consistency, because nothing grows without consistency. Your body, your mind, your brand, your money. People overestimate motivation but underestimate repetition. Consistency, as much as it sounds uncomfortable, most people fail when they stop. They show up when it's exciting, they disappear when it becomes boring. Boring is where growth lives. In 2026, your ability to show up without applause will determine how far you will go. You heard that right. Number two, the law of focus. Number two is the law of focus. Why? Distraction is the tax you pay for trying to do everything. You're trying to do career, you're trying to do business, you're trying to do, it's a lot. In 2026, the most dangerous thing won't be failure. It will be divided attention. Too many goals, too many ideas, too many voices. Focus is not about doing more. It's about deciding what you would not be touching. Choose your top 3 priorities and let everything else fade away, because you need to focus. Number 3, the law of silence. Number 3 means this coming year 2026, we will promise ourselves not everything needs to be announced. Silence is that shield. It protects our process. There is power in moving silently like a boss. The more you talk, the more pressure you invite, the more opinions you attract, the more energy you leak. Talk less, build more, less results. Let results introduce you. 2026, privacy is our competitive advantage. We are both accountable to this right now. Number 4, the law of self-education. You can never and you will never outperform your knowledge. Spend time on YouTube against Instagram, for example. This year, make it a rule to feed your mind daily. Ignorance is expensive. It costs you opportunities you don't even recognize. It keeps you stuck in circles you don't understand. I promise you, read, listen, learn. People who earn more usually don't work harder. They know more. Number 5, the law of energy of association. I told you number 5 is the most remarkable one. The people you move with, the friends. If your friends don't talk money, growth, discipline, opportunities, wrong friends. Energy is contagious. Your environment shapes your expectations. Your conversations shape your thinking. Surround yourself with people that stretch you, not people that shrink your vision. 2026, proximity will matter more than motivation. Now let's move to number 6, the law of delayed gratification. You're staying broke because you're eating everything. You're not planting it. You need to invest in financial education, for example. Open a ISA. Save. Invest, sacrifice now and harvest later. Whether it's saving, investing, learning, building, resist the urge to spend it now. Wealth, real wealth, is in compounding. Number 7, the law of action. Number 7 means faith. Plans means nothing without action. You will never feel fully ready. Start now. I'm building a platform in 2026. I have started. Every small, consistent step you take in this year will separate you from dreamers that are still planning. Momentum is built by movement, not perfection. Now let's move to number 8, law of emotional control. Number 8 is the law of emotional control. Why? Because emotional maturity is your superpower. Anger, offense can ruin things. Let patience be your anchor. Don't let pride block your favor. Your emotions should serve your vision, not sabotage it. If you want to learn more about that, maybe you should join us in Koinonia and listen to Apostle Joshua Selman. That will really, really help you. Number 9, the law of faith. You cannot go where your belief can't carry you. Faith is the inner engine that keeps you moving when nothing else makes sense. Faith is not fantasy. Faith is believing that it will happen, even if it's not happening now. Believing, trust God, trust the process, but move. God would always bless what you have started. Faith without motion produces nothing. And finally, the law of alignment. Everything you do must align with who you want to become. Set your goals and make sure it aligns with the future you. Stop chasing random goals that do not fit your destiny. In 2026, alignment will save you from burnout and multiply your results. This is powerful. When your actions, your values, and your vision agree, progress accelerates. If you live by these laws, I guarantee you one thing: you won't need to compete because you'll be focused, eyes on the prize. You won't need anyone to tell you nothing because you are fully focused. You will naturally stand out. The marketplace rewards discipline, focus, alignment. If this has helped you, save it, share it, come back to it. This is not motivation. This is instruction. I promise you that. Because even the word of God says it. You need to take these laws, put it in your left or your right, anywhere you know that you will keep it safe and you will not eat with it. Keep them aligned with your 2026. And of course, this will be the final video from me, Ibiyemi, in 2025. This is a special thank you to everyone that has stayed with me all through 2025. I started this channel in 2025 and I believe so much in this channel. I'm going deeper in 2026, bringing you all the juicy details and everything we need to make sure our 2026 is successful. Thank you for sticking with me. If you stayed with me in 2025, please leave a comment. If there's something you want me to talk about in 2026, please leave a comment. We are together and we would win in this life together. Subscribe, leave a comment, like this video. These are all the things that helps me to stay motivated for the future ahead. Thank you so much again, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Thank you, and see you in 2026.